To register for SimuCell, first click the Register Now button in the top right-hand corner. Then click Register as a student and enter your student information, ideally using your school email address. Once you have entered your information, click Next. Then confirm your information is accurate and click Submit. You should now see that your registration was successfully completed and go to your email to confirm your email address. Within a couple minutes, you should receive an email from SimuCell asking for confirmation. When you open this email, click Confirm Email. It will then open you to this page indicating that your email address has been verified. You then click Go to Login and enter your login information. On your first login, you are asked to provide the simulation access code. Your instructor has given you this 6-character code. After you enter your access code, click Next. You can either join an existing team or create a new team. Your instructor should have told you if you need to create teams on your own or if you are being assigned to a team. Check the arrow to see if your team already exists. If not, create a new team, and then click Next. The final step is payment. Click on the PayPal button to make your payment. PayPal allows you to use a credit card, debit card, or PayPal account. Note that you do not have to create a PayPal account. You can complete the payment as a PayPal guest. For the purpose of this demo, I will be bypassing this step. Then click Join Simulation, and now you should be able to see your dashboard.